Now, Joseph Kuria Irungu, also known as Jowie, has been sentenced to death for the murder of businesswoman Monica Kimani. Justice Grace Nzioka, in handing Irungu the maximum sentence for the murder, said the punishment fits the heinous crime that cost the 29-year-old her life. The judge says she based her decision on the gravity of the evidence presented during the trial, as well as the convict's character. We begin our broadcast with our very own Brenda Wanga.
Joseph Kuria Irungu, also known as Jowie, arrives at the Nairobi Milimani courts for the decision that will alter his life as he knows it. Convicted for the gruesome murder of Monica Kimani last month, the moment of truth is upon him. He is said to know the price he pays for taking the life of the young businesswoman. Justice Grace Nzioka sits in judgment. Her decision, when she finally makes it, will be the turning point of Jowie's life. The death of Monica and the manner in which it happened is one of the factors that Justice Nzioka says she considered in sentencing Jowie. She reminded the court of the state the body of the deceased was found in and the conclusion derived from the post-mortem report. That and the photographic evidence from the murder scene played a role in the final sentence handed to Jowie.
Evidence of the doctor who conducted the post-mortem report indicated that the person who perpetrated this offense cut the throat of the deceased through and through. In that judgment, I spoke to an understanding that the person was not an amateur. The person must have had some training. And remember, the evidence even revealed that after the offense was committed, the deceased was put in the bathtub and the shower tap was put over to run the blood off.
The judge saying that the evidence produced in court on the manner of death was never in dispute by both parties to the trial, Jowie's defense team included.
They say that it is a tragic, heinous loss of life on extreme circumstances, bordering on an act of absolute madness that is beyond understanding. So even the defense joins the victim's family and the prosecution and the court in arriving at the conclusion it was a gruesome murder.
The evidence of the murder notwithstanding, the judge also took into account the character of the convict. She based her conclusions on reports from the investigating officer and guards at the Royal Park Estate, Jowie's residence, who told of his penchant for brandishing guns and invoking State House's name to evade inspection. But it was the probation officer's assessment of Jowie that moved him closer to the ultimate sentence.
It describes the accused criminogenic risk factors as follows: that he lacks stable partner relationships. He has antisocial personality patterns manifested by living on the edge. He is impulsive and a thrill seeker. He uses anger or aggression to control others. And finally, he says that the accused has a double personality trait.
The conclusion of the murder trial of the late Monica also came as the country was treated to even more gruesome murders of women, including the Kasarani one of the late Ruth Waini. And the society, the judge contends, expects the justice system to act.
It is the understanding of this court that these reports speak to a situation whereby the social fabric of the society has been torn into two, right at the middle. And the court must then live to its role to protect the society.
The combination of these considerations played into handing Jowie the ultimate sentence.
Joseph Kuria Irungu alias Jowie shall suffer death as provided for the offense of murder under Section 204 of the Penal Code of Kenya.
The family of the convict has said it is appealing the sentence. Brenda Wanga, Citizen TV.